Hamilton were walking around looking for a beach to go to. None of us had brought swimsuits, but we decided we'd go find something and buy some. And Matt from Knox Hamilton and Heidi went into this little booth and tried to buy swimsuits. They picked out the ones they liked and everything, and they went to give them to the guy, and he was like, "That's $50 each, yeah." And they were like, "Oh, sorry, we can't do that." And he's like, $47. And they were like, "No, we're just gonna put it down." And then he just keeps going lower. He's like, 40. And they're like, no, 37, no. And Heidi's finally like, $20. And he said, okay. He came down.
When does he jack it?
He came down like 90%.
Yeah.
So they made up for the sunglasses. We're Firekid. We got a couple more songs for you. Lights out, paper town, some queens with daisy crowns, maybe going round and round. You're the darling of the town, but I'll show you the world tonight. I'll show you the world tonight. Straight knees, birds and bees, Duke Duchess of a dream. Rainy day, philosophy, a hurricane is just a breeze. I'll show you the world tonight, as long as you say you're mine. Take my heart and put it in your pocket, wear it like a locket and hide the key. At sundown, when we're only drive home, sleeping under tombstones laid by me. Here we go! Wear it like a locket and hide the key. At sundown, when we're only drive on, sleeping under tombstones laid by me. Take my heart and put it in your pocket, wear it like a locket and hide the key. At sundown, when we're only drive on, sleeping under tombstones laid by me. Here we go! You're the only one and you always will be. Laid by me, laid by me. You're the only one and you always will be. Thank you guys so much.